How to turn off sleep focus on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. You will see a group of icons over here. Tap on the focus button as shown. As you can see, the sleep focus is highlighted, which means that it is currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, then tap on the sleep focus button again. Alternatively, go back and open up Settings. Scroll down and go to Focus. Here, tap on Sleep. And then, scroll down to the Schedule section and tap on Next Schedule. On this page, tap on Schedule and Options below. Over here, turn off the sleep schedule switch at the top. Your wake-up alarm will not go off and other sleep features will not turn on. Following these steps, you can easily turn off sleep focus on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.